He heard the news and the crowd came in numbers, both young and old. The name of the game? Eating competition, second in the series. The table is ready, and this 24-year-old Joseph Mwanza of Mtendere compound is the challenger. Take your seat, please. Next to him is the champion, all the way from Chingola, Bright Kabasa, otherwise affectionately known as Mwine Nshima. Phone cameras ready, and let the game roll. But first, some water, says the champion. 14:37, let the game begin. Some meat? No, it's too early. What game are you playing, mister? Okay, let me go for my bite. Meanwhile, is his dish going down? Another bite. But 15 minutes down the line, questions. Can I keep on? Okay, I'm still game. Meanwhile, the champion is at ease. They have been eating for the past 20 minutes, but the dishes of Shima are still full. Meanwhile, another bite. Challenger, are you still in the game? Yes, but another bite. After 30 minutes of sweating from eating, they finally begin talking to each other, and it seems they are getting along. Shake out. Dish closer, more concentration. A bite? No. Gosh, this guy is tiring me. What is he up to? 40 minutes of non-stop eating. Could it be the reason why the two competitors could not help it but laugh? "45 minutes later, Joseph the challenger gives up the towel. Even after forcing him back on the table, could not help matters. All he could do was this. Mwine Nshima is still the undisputed champion. Challenger, how do you describe the champion?